The question of women and divinity, then, is far from being only of concern to women. It is manifestly of urgent significance to our universal salvation from this nightmarish world that we have created for ourselves. There is a globally recognized need for a focus on women and their extraordinary potential in religion and spirituality. The endowment of the Lady Fatima Chair in Women and Divinity at Habib University by the Abbas D Habib Family is a visionary initiative. We not only gratefully thank them, but pay tribute to their insight and vision.
Endowing a faculty chair with such unique perspective shows strong resonance with Habib University's distinct mission of crafting a thoughtful educational experience.
What does religion and what does Islam in particular have to do and can offer at a time when the planet is rapidly being undone? With Lady Fatima Chair in mind, I want to ask, how do we respond? At the very least, we ought to grapple with climate emergency. Islam in particular ought to help us critically reinterpret and inhabit the sustainable living aspirations.
Dr. Larisa, she has a brilliant mind. She was the perfect choice to actually talk about this, and she's opened so many questions also about placement of women in society. How does religion affect all of this?
The idea of the Lady Fatima Endowment is unprecedented. We really need to bring in that feminine energy into fields of academia, scholarships.
Dr. Larisa spoke in her lecture today how 700% of the resources in climate change are being focused to the STEM. Having positions like the Endowed Chair helps these resources to also be focused on areas like humanities, who are fighting this battle in a very different angle, and some would argue in a more impactful way.